Today, we are going to talk about support and resistance. You are welcome back again on this platform where I create content that will make you money. Today, I want us to learn how to use support and resistance to make money investing or trading cryptocurrency. So grab a cup of coffee. Let's dive right away into what I got for you guys today. Now, this is the Ethereum live chart. I want to do it live. And I don't want to have a prepared chart for you guys. I want us to do this like from the bottom. And I'm on the monthly time frame. I'm going to show you guys how you can go about looking at support and resistance, spotting demand and supply on different charts, be it Ethereum, BNB, Bitcoin, any crypto that you are investing in. This is going to apply to it as well. And make sure you are always on the higher time frame before you start mapping support and resistance. Now, to make it more easier for you guys to understand what support and resistance means, it means area of demand and supply. Resistance is an area of supply, while support is an area of demand. That is, for example, this zone here, let me mark this various support and resistance zones so you can see this is an area of demand because price have come and bounced on that level multiple times. You can see that Ethereum price have come to retest this level multiple times, and every time the price gets to that level, it bounced back. And we saw this back then, how the price came to this level and was consolidating until the price moved right up to the all-time high of Ethereum. And after then, the price started consolidating. And the price was coming down towards an area of support, which was an area of resistance before. And this is the area which was an area of resistance before that became an area of support. This is it here. Now, I'm going to mark this zone here so you can see that Ethereum came to that zone and bounced back towards where it is right now. Let me mark this properly for you to see. You can see here, Ethereum bounced from that level after the all-time high of Ethereum. And now we are seeing Ethereum going back to the upside. Right? And this is possible because there was an area of demand here. Many investors saw this area as an area to buy. This was a support area. And this support area was resistance before when the price was at this level here. Let me mark it properly so you can see. When the price was at this level, yeah, resistance, right? And now it is support. Resistance has become support. And Ethereum is trading now above this resistance level, and we might expect Ethereum to move to the next resistance level. So let's try to mark the next resistance level here so that it can help us to know where Ethereum is heading toward. Now, if say I go back to this level, let me mark this properly. You can see here from this chart, it shows that this was the area where Ethereum break out from this downside. So this is the major area of resistance now, which was support before. We saw that prices came to this level, bounced back to this upside, and the price came back, and then break down towards $1,000 something, right? And now the price is going back to retest this same zone. So we should expect a serious resistance at this level here, at this price point for Ethereum. So if say you are already invested in Ethereum, you should know that this zone is going to be a strong zone. And if Ethereum breaks this zone, then we're going to see Ethereum go back maybe to the all-time high. So if say you zoom this out, you're going to see that this price is in between $2,700 and $2,900. So let's just say in between $2,000 and $3,000. So if say you see Ethereum around this area, then you should start looking at ways to take out profit. And if say Ethereum start trading above, then you can start looking for opportunity to buy more Ethereum. This goes the same with any project that you are investing in. Now, after you have done this, like this, you have marked this support and resistance zones there. Go to the weekly time frame and try to look at where price is. Try to look at where price is at this point in time. Now you can see here that on the weekly time frame, there is this area where Ethereum is still struggling to break. This is not actually, to me, it's not actually a serious zone The serious zone here is this area where I draw this circle here. So this is the next target for Ethereum. Ethereum is going towards this level. And if we see Ethereum come towards this level and hold, then the next level that we can expect Ethereum to move towards before we can see any major resistance is at this level. Yeah, this was a level that Ethereum break out towards the downside, right? And it's important, guys, you look at these different zones because it's going to help you to either know when to buy, when to take out profits, and when to just wait and look at what is going on in the market. So you can see here that these different areas from the weekly and monthly time frame has given you an urge to where Ethereum is going towards or where Ethereum might retrace to, if say that's the case. After you have done that, go now to the lower time frame. Start with the daily time frame. So you can see that from the daily time frame, this is how the price looks like, or this is how the chart looks like. And these areas, these boxes, are areas where you want to be accumulating these tokens. And out of these zones are areas where you want to start taking out profit. These zones that I mark here, like this rectangle, yeah. When you see your cryptos moving in between, because look, remember, we mark this from the monthly time frame. So if say you are buying crypto every month, if you are selling crypto every month, then this should be easy for you to understand that these areas are areas where you are going to be accumulating more of these tokens, right? Or buy more of these tokens. I think I have to mark another area here. Yeah, this is it here. Let me just put it here. I think this is an area that I can mark, even though it's not that serious, but let me just put this here because we can see Ethereum bounce back and then come to retest this area here, this zone here. If not, then it will keep going to the upside. When you have done that, you go to the lower time frame, as I mentioned. This lower time frame, you can now start looking at possible buy and sell opportunities during the lower time frame. You can see the price might move downward, you buy more. The price goes up, you sell more. And these zones will help you long term to invest and trade. And if say you want to go more deeper to make even more profits on a lower time frame, go to the 15-minute time frame. You're going to see here that there is also opportunity. Immediately you see your coin come back to either of those zones, you know that, okay, right now I'm going to be selling or I'm going to be buying. Like right now, if say you are trading on the lower time frame, you have to be buying Ethereum, right? Like buying Ethereum until you see Ethereum go to the level I showed you on the higher time frame. Then you can start looking at ways to sell Ethereum. If say Ethereum move or break this area here, this zone here, then you should start looking at ways to buy more Ethereum. This is simple, like this area. If Ethereum breaks this zone here, the next thing you have to do is look at ways to buy more Ethereum. But if Ethereum keep rejecting the zone, then the next area where you can buy Ethereum again is when the price of Ethereum breaks downward. You can buy Ethereum from this zone. And if so you bought Ethereum from this zone, the price still break again, like come back right down, you can buy more again here. If it goes back down, you can buy more again here, knowing that it will bounce back to this upside, right? So it's important you guys look at these areas of demand and supply or support and resistance. It's going to help you to make money in cryptocurrency. Note that the crypto market is so volatile. So I won't recommend you to trade this on futures or derivative if say you don't have experience. I'm going to recommend you do this on spot, because with spot, you are buying it at the market price and the volatility of the market might not really impact you. You know, you can just DCA more and more until you get to a point where you have accumulated more. So you can see here that from the all-time high of Ethereum and where Ethereum is at this point in time, Ethereum is looking so good and you can accumulate more Ethereum right now. If the price goes down, you accumulate more. That means you have a monthly buy plan. You know, let's say every month you're buying this amount, that amount. You can use this support and resistance strategy to accumulate more of Ethereum or any other coins out there that you are investing in. I want to believe this is explicit enough. If say you don't understand anything, guys, you can comment below this video what you didn't understand. I'm going to do my best to try to explain to you guys more on how you can go about it. And if say you want to trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other cryptos that you are holding, you can use my link below and do this on Bybit, Kucoin, or Binance. Using my link is a way to support this channel, so make sure you use my link and start trading on Bybit, Kucoin, Bitget, or Binance. And if say this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said that, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.